Hey, what's good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Mac, and we tapping in with another great video. I know it's been like maybe 2 or 3 months, maybe 4 months since I dropped my last video, but I'm back to show y'all my latest pickup. And the reason I wasn't making videos is just because I was being lazy, man. I still been picking up kicks, I still been watching videos, but I just lost interest in doing videos. A lot of this shit is like repetitive, so I just took a break. I took like a couple weeks. Well, I had planned to take a couple weeks off, and then I just got lazy and just stopped making videos. But I'm back, and I'm gonna show y'all my latest pickup. As y'all can tell by the title, we got the Jordan 11, the 25th anniversary joints. I did hit on a shock drop on sneakers. I know a lot of people did. I've seen a lot of guys I follow on YouTube that did. So, to be honest with you, this sneaker, it wasn't really on my radar. I didn't really have any thoughts or opinions on it. Thought it was cool. Most of the 11s are pretty cool. So when I was able to hit, I was actually surprised, and I was like, fuck it, I might as well keep them since I have them. So I really don't like this new box. I felt like they should have went with the box they used for the Red 11s, like the classic Nike box, or just went back to like a pull-out box. This box right here is like, this shit is trash. Even though I do use, the little containers, but for people that don't, this box is gonna be easily damaged because it's, it's just that flimsy. Here we go right here, 25th anniversary joints. And if I'm not mistaken, I think another pair of 11s are coming out. If I'm wrong, feel free to correct me, but here they go right here. I'm pretty sure y'all seen a lot of videos and stuff already. These are very, very nice, man. And I wanted these because I don't have the Space Jam, so I'm glad I hit on the shock drop. These aren't Space Jams, obviously, but they're close enough. I feel like if you have the Space Jams, there's really no need for you to pick these up unless you just like 11s like that. I know a lot of people was tripping off of the letters on the side, the Jordan, whatever it says. But I think that's a nice touch. It's something different, something new. And I know when pictures first came out, a lot of people was trashing these, but now that people are starting to see videos and pictures and stuff, I think people are gonna start to like these. And that's how it is with a lot of 11s and shoes in general. I remember back in like 2014, 2015, when the Gamma 11s came out, everybody was saying the Gamma 11s was trash, and then when they came out, people were standing in line, they sold out, and now people like them. So if people can warm up to the Gamma 11s, I definitely think these are gonna sell out. People are gonna cop these. So the energy is never the same on release date. It's always a different energy. So I'll show y'all what y'all came here to see, and that's these joints on feet. So y'all check it out, and then we're gonna tap back in. All right, man, so I just showed y'all what these Jordan 11 25th anniversaries look like on feet. So now is the time for y'all to comment, leave your thoughts, your opinions on this sneaker. Let me know what you think about them. Let me know what you think about the on feet. I thought they looked pretty good with the jeans and the joggers, just like most Jordan 11s do. Hopefully you guys are able to pick these up. I think y'all will like them. Don't listen to the internet, don't listen to the hype. I know a lot of people are calling these ugly. They are kind of like, I guess they don't really like the lettering on the side, but I think it's, you know, something different. You know, it's a different approach to the Jordan 11s, and they gave us something new. You know, we complain about, you know, getting Concords and Bread 11s every other year. So they came out with something new, and you know, they listened to us. So let me know what you think about these joints. These retail for $220, and their release date is going to be December 12th. So make sure you mark your calendars, get your bread ready, and make sure you can secure your pair. But other than that, I'm gonna get out of here. I'm a little rusty, man, but I appreciate y'all for watching my video. I'm gonna get back on the video stuff. I was lazy and I was like uninspired, to be honest, but I still was picking up kicks, so I'm gonna drop another video showing all my pickups. I picked up a bunch of kicks between my last video and now, so I'm gonna work on that, just kind of show y'all what I've been copping. But other than that, man, that's pretty much it. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video.